Driving on Wadsworth Blvd. That's what he signed up on me.
Northbound.
Catching flaw, cheating myself like I knew I would. I told you I was trouble. Super glue body shower, no body wash. Super glue body wash. Told ya Jamaica and Spain.
Are you Marshall?
I am. I am.
Thanks for meeting me here. Usually not an interweb dating guy. Barely ever use this phone shooter. Unless it's to bundle my insurance with Liberty.
Oh,
Liberty,
same.
liberty.
I know you, I read me.
Shit.
Something McDonald's is all yours. I have 3 bags. Somebody.
We found each other.
Something McDonald's is all yours. I have 3 bags. Somebody catch it. Give it to y'all. Yeah, no problem, man. That's all yours, man. God bless. Appreciate it. Have a good night. God bless you. Thank you. Something McDonald's is all yours. I have 3 bags. Somebody catch it. Give it to y'all. Yeah, no problem, man. That's all yours, man. God bless. Appreciate it. Have a good night.
What's the name? Love again. Oh,
In
okay.
600 feet, continue straight onto Wadsworth Boulevard. Continue straight onto Wadsworth Boulevard.
God's plan.
Continue on Wadsworth Boulevard for 1 mile.
It's been busy and shit, bro.
K-bound.
Hey, we might link up. We'll see. We'll see. Hey, baby girl. Just gotta work. We found each other.
K-bound.
In half a mile, turn right onto the I-70 East, I-76 East ramp to Denver and Fort Morgan.
Alright, nice. Yep. Do we go to Red Lobster? I don't remember. Oh man, that was some shit, huh? That was some shit.
Turn right onto the I-70 East ramp. Then you use the left 2 lanes to take the I-76 East ramp to Fort Morgan.
Ooh.
Use the left 2 lanes to take the I-76 East ramp.
K-bound.
Continue for 1 mile.
That's a tough one, but that's alright. Put you on top. So call out my name. Call out my name when I kiss you so gently. I want you to stay.
In half a mile, take exit 1B for Colorado 95, Sheridan Boulevard.
The goalie.
Take exit 1B. Then you use the left 2 lanes to take the Colorado 95, Sheridan
For so
Boulevard.
many years, I've been thinking about this jungle Asian term that's used for Vietnamese people. Savage thing called thick gang is translated into blood soup. And you know what? I embrace that savagery now. And drench it with lime. There's a lot of herbs, tappation, duck liver. Here's why I will never place a
Use the left 2 lanes to take the Colorado Line right. Then on next light, you'll use any lane to turn left.
Savage,
At the light, left.
Damn, God. What up, Quentin? Doing well. Anyway, sorry to hear that. What's on the speeding ticket? What did he charge you with?
What? Oh, above. I think it was supposed to be. Well, let's see. I'm just gonna throw on the light here. Says actual speed 45, posted speed 30.
Ooh, shit. How many points?
4.
Godly.
Points reduction offered. Point reduction offered 2.
So if you send in the money early, they reduce it down to 2.
Yeah, what does that mean? It's $170, which whatever. I'll
Yeah,
pay it,
well, in the long
if
run,
there's any way of getting it reduced.
I think there's like a couple of options on the table. The first one is you take like a fucking safe driving class online or something, and maybe they can reduce it more. But if you send in the money early and they reduce it down to 2, I think that might be the most logical option.
Yeah.
Or you can go in and talk to a DA or some shit. They might be able to work with you, but
Well, I'm not very pretty, so I'm not sure what they can do.
man, yeah. I think if you send in the money, they reduce it down to 2, then it's not that bad, you know.
What does Lyft like terminate people for this kind of shit?
If it's down to 2, that's gonna count as a moving violation. And their policy is no more than 2 moving violation within 3 years. No more than 2 moving violations.
Like 2 incidents or 2 points?
So this would be a moving violation. So you're not allowed another one within another 3 years.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Well, it's nice to talk to my lawyer on these matters. Thank
Not
you.
lawyer,
Thank
but,
you.
but yeah. I got a few fucking tickets back in the day.
Well, it's a learning lesson, always.
Yeah, I think your best bet is yeah, it's not worth it to speed, bro. Yeah. I mean, I speed all the time, but I live here.
Normally,
Go ahead.
yeah, normally I don't, or I've just been lucky and got away with it for 6 years now.
Right.
Let's see here. Do I just pay it?
Yeah, you send in the money early.
Talk to
Yeah.
them?
If you want to work with the DA, then you have to come in and talk to them or something before the due date on the, like, to send in the money early before that date. Yeah, you want to work with them. You're like, hey, can I take a safe driving class online or something, and can you able to reduce it down some more, some shit like that, you know?
But no matter what, send in the money.
If you send in the money, then no. If you want to reduce it more,
I accept.
like I think the thing you worry about the most is your driving with lift, right? So you want to reduce it down to
Yeah.
1 point. So what you're trying to do is go in and talk to the DA. Yeah. Is it Denver? Denver, right?
It was on Spears, so
Yeah, that's
I'm
Denver.
guessing it's Denver.
Yeah, go in and talk to a DA like, hey, I Lyft is my livelihood. Is there any way I can take a safe driving course online and you reduce it down some more, like to a 1 point? See, I got pulled over in Colorado Springs when I was streaming, and the cops were so nice. He reduced it down to 1 point. I was doing a fucking 65 and a 50 in the Springs. But the cop was nice. It was a 4 point, but he reduced it down to 1. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. So I caught a few
Well,
breaks.
Well, I appreciate all this.
So I think what you're worried the most about is driving with Lyft. So you gotta go in and talk to the DA. Don't send in the money yet. Go in and talk to them.
Okay, so I'll take care of this in the next few days.
Right. Yeah, man.
I love you, my guy. How you doing?
I've been doing good, bro. Yeah. How about you? Been good with the fucking white girl and shit?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Well, just remember moderation, bro. Moderation.
No, I've just been busy. I haven't touched it at all.
That's cool.
Just been busy.
God damn, I just got here and they canceled my trip. Fucking A, man. This is some lame shit. This is Walmart Spark. Yeah.
You know what's funny?